What is ChatGPT? Launched by OpenAI in November 2022, ChatGPT is a chatbot. The GPT-3 family of large language models from OpenAI provides the foundation for this system, which has been fine-tuned, a method of transfer learning, using both supervised and reinforcement learning strategies. What ChatGPT stands for? It is a chat generative pre-trained transformer. When ChatGPT was launched on November 30, 2022, it was released as a prototype and gained popularity right away for its thorough responses and well-written comments in a variety of subject areas. One key flaw was noted to be its uneven factual accuracy. OpenAI was valued at $29 billion after ChatGPT's release. On November 30, 2022, San Francisco-based OpenAI, the company behind L2 and Whisper, released ChatGPT. Will ChatGPT always be free? With the intention of later making the service profitable, it was initially made available for free to the general public. OpenAI calculated that ChatGPT had over 1 million users as of December 4. The service still falls down from time to time, according to a CNBC article from December 15, 2022. The service performs best in English, but it can also be used, with variable degrees of success, in some other languages. Features and limitations. Although a chatbot's primary purpose is to mimic a human conversationalist, ChatGPT is important and adaptable. ChatGPT can be used in a variety of industries, including writing and debugging computer programs, creating music, teleplays, fairy tales, and student essays, and providing test-taking assistance. The training materials for ChatGPT include man pages, facts on web trends, and details on popular programming languages like Python and bulletin board systems. The new chatbot from OpenAI can explain code, write sitcom scripts, and do other things. ChatGPT has a number of drawbacks. ChatGPT occasionally writes plausible-sounding but wrong or illogical answers, according to OpenAI. Large language models frequently engage in this behavior, which is known as hallucination. The human oversight-centered reward structure of ChatGPT can be over-optimized, which would reduce performance and violate Goodhart's law. ChatGPT is only partially aware of activities that took place after 2021. We use OpenAI to record the data created when you interact with ChatGPT, which allows us to detect ChatGPT. The information produced by your interactions with ChatGPT, according to OpenAI, is used to enhance the AI model and may be examined by human AI trainers. Simply put, portions of your conversations may one day be read by someone else. So, do not share any confidential information with ChatGPT. Consequences for cybersecurity. The ability of ChatGPT to create malware and phishing emails was observed by Checkpoint Research and others, particularly when combined with OpenAI Codex. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, the company that created ChatGPT, stated in a blog post that the development of software could present huge cybersecurity risks, for example, and that we could get to real AI, artificial general intelligence, in the next decade, so we have to take the risk of that extremely seriously.